Let us write programs for displaying various patterns using nested for loop. Already you have seen this code, so instead of displaying I and j values, I'll just remove this and I will say cout a star, then space, and close this one. So star and space will be displayed, and you know this cout will move to next line after every row. Let us show this. I'm getting a square pattern of 3 stars each. So I'll just increase this to 5 and let us run again. So I'm getting a square pattern of 5 by 5 stars. Now here I'll make a small change. J is starting from 1 and j is less than or equal to 5. I will say less than or equal to I. So I is initially 1, so it is repeated for, in the for loop is repeated for only one time, the next 2 times, then 3 times. So whatever the value of I is, it will repeat for that many times, not always 5 times. What pattern we get? Okay, I am getting a triangle. There's 1 star and 2 stars in next line, then 3 stars in next line, and so on. Now instead of this, if I say 5 minus I, then let us see what happens. I am getting this triangle, but I am getting just 4, so I should write 5 minus I plus 1, so I'll be getting a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let me change this. 5 minus I plus 1. So I got a triangle of stars. Right, so I got 2 shapes you have seen. Now I'll make some changes and display this star based on condition. So just watch this one. So now it's a square. This is exactly the first one, that is square of size 5. But now here I will write if I plus j is less than 5, then display this star. Otherwise, else cout just 2 spaces. That's it. So I have made changes here. I am not displaying star every time. I am also displaying a space. When this condition is true, it will be showing star. Otherwise, it will be showing space. Just watch what happens. I'll change this condition, that is I plus j is greater than 5. Then display this. See, I got a right bottom side of a triangle. If I say I is less than j, then only print this one. Let us see what I'll get. I got only few stars. 1 star is less, so I will say I is less than or equal to j. Now I got a top right side of a triangle. So initially when you saw that this was from 5 to 5, so I was getting a square of 5 by 5. Now these locations are filled with spaces. These are all spaces and these are stars. So it is displaying star or spaces depending on the condition met. So in this way you can play around with these I and j values and you can get different stars, and this will help you to develop your logic. So different designs you can make using stars, or even you can use numbers.